gross, 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 gross. It's humiliating I've even been to this place, but if my review can help even one person from making the same mistake, then it's worth it. It smells like puke everywhere because there's old stale puke everywhere because A, the people around there are all about drinking Jag bombs and lights until they puke in public. I had to help a girl up from the toilet because she'd puked everywhere and her purse was spilled all over the place. B, that place hasn't been cleaned since the day it opened. That's the oldest tavern on the N side. That is a lot of dirt. It's the kind of place that makes you want to buy a power washer and just spray the whole thing down. Plus, on top of the possibility of catching airborne gonorrhea, at Durkin's, you have to deal with the incredibly drunk and full of themselves staff, who are hired because obviously they're slutty and not because they can bartender serve. They're slutty both male and female. Gross, 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 ugh, gross.